This is Hey Garden Guy, answering the questions from our Facebook and YouTube submitted questions, and this particular one is from Mark. Hey Garden Guy, Charlie Stockers, all you got to do, and we'll answer any question you send us. He wants to know, what are the best evergreens for windbreak plantings? What are the best evergreens for windbreak plantings? Let's simply first identify what a windbreak planting is. A windbreak planting can be one singular row, it can be 2 rows, it can be 3 rows of evergreens, of deciduous shrubbery, all for the purpose of to block the vision or screen an area out that you don't want to look at. It could be for wildlife purposes. It could be to save money in terms of the wind coming in or breaking or blocking the snow. So with that, I want to look at what are the 4 best evergreens for developing fast and having a purpose for you, reaching fruition quickly for your particular windbreak needs. The first evergreen that I want to recommend that we've used a lot of, and it's called a Norway Spruce. The Norway Spruce will grow anywhere from 2 to 3 foot. Is conical in shape, will get up anywhere from 40 to 50 foot, can handle soil that is somewhat compacted and not well drained. So one of my first choices is going to be the Norway Spruce, and generally you plant them at about 10 to 12 foot centers. The second plant I recommend in terms of evergreen windbreaks is the Hemlock. Now you're all familiar with the Hemlock in that it's kind of a weepy plant. It's very fast growing. It has to have a well-drained soil. It will not work in bogs or in heavy compacted clay. So the first is a Norway Spruce. The second is a Hemlock. The third one, probably a lot of you are not familiar with, but for Jack Brown, my buddy the arborist, it's his go-to windbreak evergreen planting, and it's Fujiya Licata, or big green giant arborvitae. It's very fast to establish itself. It will grow anywhere from 2 to 3 to 4 foot a year. It's virtually disease resistant, can handle the salt from the highway, and can handle compacted soil, and it doesn't have a deep taproot. So with all of those positives, the green giant arborvitae is third on the list. And finally, for a good evergreen base, and you can mix all these together, is the white spruce. It's very much like the Norway spruce, but it doesn't grow quite as fast. So there you have it. 4 good evergreens for your windbreak. This is Charlie Stocker, Hey Garden Guy, raising your IQ one question at a time.